Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to do another quick little review of something I found that was pretty cool. So come on. Okay, this is the Lorsia whiskey set, and the reason I got this was not really, it's a set of glasses really, but that's not why I got it. It also has some ice molds. So, well, here's the packaging. The packaging's really nice. Everything's in there nice and secure like you would want it to be since it's glass. So we got these cut crystal glasses. And are they the same? Yeah, they're the same as the other whiskey set that I got, which I don't know if I've done that review or if I'm about to. But anyway, the glasses are the same. But what I got, the reason I got these was for these ice molds. So I have another ice mold set that'll make 4 round ice balls, but they're kind of small. They're like that big. And these look like they were quite a bit larger. Oh yeah, these are quite a bit larger. So the other ones that I have are like 1.5 inches maybe, and these are like 2 inches. So quite a bit bigger. And it comes with a really nice glass set, 2 glasses, 2 molds, and if I'm not mistaken, this was around 18 bucks. Not a bad buy at all. I'm not sure about that, but I'll put a link down in the show notes so you can check the current price. This came from Amazon, so nice little gift set for the whiskey drinker in your life or the moonshiner, either one. Yeah, so I'm going to go make an ice ball, and with the magic of video, this should only take me a second. I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are. This ice mold is back and it's swelled up. You can see from that line the ice kind of pushed the mold apart, so we'll see how this turns out. Oh yeah, that's a nice ball there. And break it loose. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Look at there. For those of you unaware, the reason whiskey drinkers like large ice cubes in their glass, a single large ice cube, is because it doesn't melt as fast because of surface area. It'll chill your drink down, but not water it down as quickly. So that's why we like it. And I'm going to take some of this whiskey that we made with the Still Spirits bourbon flavoring. Dang, that smells better than it did when I made it. This thing has been sitting now, I don't know, a couple weeks now, 3 weeks maybe, 2 weeks probably. And it smells better. All right, so let's try this. Oh, nice. So we'll swirl this around to chill it real good. That's pretty good. Yeah, this Still Spirits bourbon flavoring got a little better with just a couple of weeks of, I don't know, sitting, I guess. So this is really good. I really like the ice. I will move the camera angle and let you see this ice cube in this glass. It's a nice little gift, I think. Let's check this out. Nice little glass set. You know, the glasses, they're just glasses. Not terribly fancy, nothing, not a real big deal. But these molds, you know, these are pretty nice. I like these large whiskey ball molds. It really does make a difference when you're sipping on a whiskey with one large ice cube instead of several little ice cubes that melt quickly and water down your whiskey. So it's a great little gift set. Like I said, I think I paid like 18 bucks, but I'll leave a link down in the show notes. And I got several more of these little reviews coming. So I hope you enjoy them. Let me know if you don't. Or let me know, hey, yeah, like the reviews. Keep it up. I'll just keep doing it. See y'all next time.